Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the one that you wish to set up. Then click on this plus icon and choose event. After that, you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour, add location over here, type wherever you wish to and click on the correct one, and even take notes. You can also, for example, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Click done and save your event by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it and tapping on this pen icon. Now make your changes and tap on save at the top right corner again. If you wish to delete your event completely, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time typing on those three dots at the top right corner. Over here select delete and click delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!